How does it work? Select a category. Then choose a product. Enter quantity. Click Add to Cart and create in Designer. If you'd like to use the designer, make sure to select this option during the order configuration. Otherwise, you won't be able to prepare your file in the designer at a later stage. Choose your design or use our templates. Read the instructions that will appear after launching the graphic editor and follow them. Upload your graphics and customize them. You can also use other options, such as adding a QR code or text. If a 3D preview is available, you can see how your design looks on the product. Save your design and place your order.